How goes it?
Not good.
I see that.
Stator cover took a hit.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Have you lost all your oil?
No, it's still got oil in it.
Would you like to fix the stator cover?
We could try. Oh, it was my fault, not the bike's fault, so.
Oh, okay, well that's acceptable.
I just crashed and broke some shit. Oh, I just crashed and broke the stator cover.
Oh,
yeah. But it's still got oil in it, so. It didn't dump all the oil, it's just right on top, so.
Get the baby up, well, no, shot. I got the stick.
I was getting worried. I was sitting there for quite a while, and I'm like, where the fuck did the sweepers go?
We got stuck.
The bees happened really fast.
Oh.
Fast,
You guys were sitting there yapping, and then holy shit.
Yeah, the first two bees.
2K back to the check, isn't it? Or right to the road that's right there.
That road
Is a long ways away from everything.
Yeah. The road here is Melba, which goes right to the fiber optic, which gets you home. So I wonder.
Or even if I can get to the check and get a ride back, we can run the truck.
Let's tip it on its side.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a gooder. That's also why I was kind of hesitant to want to run it.
Yeah.
I think.
You didn't half-ass it.
No. I fucking yard sailed it.
All right.
Well, you could also leave the bike here and walk back.
That was my other option. Or I was thinking get the bike to the check and then...
Yeah.
Well, there might be chunkies in there.
Well, that's the other thing I was thinking. Like, I haven't started it.
Yeah, there's chunks. I'd be worried about that a little bit. It's up to you.
Now
But...
it's just a stator cover, not a stator.
Oh, when I first heard that, I was like, oh no. And I looked down and see it crack and I'm like, in cases?
Well, I got this
Putty?
putty. I got it mixed up already, so I'll stick it on there. But I think you got chunks in there.
That's kind of what I was worried about too.
I think your best option is to go backwards because that gets you the Melba and the check.
Oh, that's 100% what I was going to do.
And the check is right there, and it's going to be open for a while, that check.
Well, I was...
Whereas this check is, as soon as
quite a
we come
ways.
by, is they're done, right?
Yeah.
So,
Oh, I was pushing it. I pushed it quite a ways so far. It was up on that.
The next couple little spots is a shitty push.
I know. I was looking at this uphill and I'm like, fuck. And then I heard bikes coming. I'm like, thank God.
Even the tow out of here is going to be a disaster.
2 feet in a heartbeat.
Yeah. I mean, let it sit for 15 minutes and try it. You never know.
Yeah. Oh, it probably won't leak. It's just the metal.
I'm worried about the chunkies.
Yeah.
But I mean, even if you get help, how are you going to get this fucking thing out of here?
I know.
So it might be worth it to try it.
Yeah.
Or just run it as least amount that I can. Shut it off on all the downhills.
Well, you know what though? If it starts up and it doesn't sound like metal's making contact, you're fine.
Yes.
Sure.
Right?
There is a decent chance that it'll just stay in the bottom.
Yeah.
And just kind of fall into the sump.
It's just aluminum anyways.
This is true.
Just grind up.
That's just anti-wear out for your engine.
Yeah. It's almost like lead.
Yeah.
Good for you. Well, that's 2 uses out of this Tootsie Roll.
Yeah, what is about? Is that a 5 minute or a 15?
It's probably 15 minutes.
It's starting to do its thing already.
Is it getting warm?
Oh yeah, it's hot. But I mean, the engine's going to. So now, do we keep going as a group, or do we split up here with this?
We send one guy back with him.
Yeah. I've got a strap though. I should have grabbed it. I can lend you a strap because we got 2 between us.
How far are we from the 24K crossing?
Oh,
Quite a ways, eh?
we're only 15K in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, my old man's working the
Long ways.
You want a water?
I got a water now. Like,
You want another one? I got an extra.
I got
I'm
a couple
good.
in my car.
I'm still half full.
Maybe what we should do, what do you think about this? If we stick around until that's mostly cured, and then we see if it runs, and if it runs, then he can go back with one of the guys and get to Daryl and Vanessa, and then you can load it in Daryl and Vanessa's van and good to go.
Okay.
Sounds
Well,
like a good plan.
I'll still give you this.
If I don't see you back there for whatever reason, I'll hand it to Ryan or James.
Yeah.
That works perfect.
My watch says we're only 14K in.
Oh boy. That's the longest 14K in my life so far. So are we now officially bee sweepers? Where we were behind the last bees. Actually bee sweeps now. So they sending the bee sweeps like 20 minutes after the last bee guy went out or something?
It was a ways. It was a while because I talked to Chris when we encountered the guy with the flat tire, and he said it looked like the bee sweeps had just left, which was, I don't know, half hour in.
Just waiting to see him roll up on us. Just waiting.
You never know. Might not run into anybody, or
That's almost ready.
Slipped up too far back on the bike and then it just went.
I know Chuwhels Extreme has a couple stator covers and stuff. That was in the other day.
I think it's time to try it. Let's see how she sounds. Kick it over slow first.
How I know about that one.
No kick on it.
Got
Oh,
their
okay.
track there, like, dumped the bike and then other guy's bike got into mine and took that with the
If it makes bad sounds, push the red button.
Yeah.
Sounds like a cow.
Not the same as that before.
Okay, shut her down.
Losing a little bit out of that.
Yeah, you're losing some out of there.
Not a huge amount. Shut it off going downhill. I got 1.5 kilometers to go.
You got a half a liter of oil. What could go wrong?
Yeah, I don't have any spare oil. I should have. I didn't even think of spare oil.
I'm wondering if I should.
Goop up that.
Yeah.
Might as well. It's
There's-
working.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, I got. Yeah. You're okay if it's oiled?
What I'll do is I'll give you the rest of this Tootsie Roll. Because Brad, you said you have some more, right?
I've got more. Yeah.
Okay, so I'll give you the rest of this, and then you guys can do that, and we'll keep going.
Not good for wiping your arse. It gets it down.
Slow it down. We were gonna get out of here.
It would get you out, but I think we can do a little better. Here.
You have a pretty goat looking at that.
You're gonna stay in your hand.
Actually, you know, now that I see that case, it's like pushed up and away.
Yep.
I wonder if there's not actually any chunkies. If that's why there's a gap in there, because that whole top piece is pushed up.
Oh, and it actually never pushed anything inside.
Yeah. I bet, because it's up like almost a 1/4 inch,
Yes,
and there's just like a 1/4 inch gap.
there is.
Wow, that's better.
So if I had to bet, I'd say there's f all in there for shrapnel.
You would have heard it.
It would get picked up by that suction thing.
Why?
I'm just testing the efficiency of the Kawasaki oiling system.
So easiest way out, you hit the gravel road, just follow that gravel road all
Yeah,
the way down.
right back to that. Right back to the check there.
Yeah.
And then from there,
Yeah.
you just keep following that road.
Stay to the right.
Yeah, so go past the table on your right,
Yeah.
and just keep following that, and that's gonna go like southeast.
Okay.
And you're gonna get to the point and stay on the main road. Don't go any of the spurs, and eventually you'll hit the highway. And when you're in a highway, then it's fiber optic all the way back
Perfect.
until you see the start again.
Sounds good.
Super.
Familiar with
Yeah.
that.
Do you got a? Yeah. do
Yeah,
you want-
I got Gaia and I got the map.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're good. Take it easy. Take your time.
For the highway. Yeah. Turn left.
And hang the thumb out.
Or you can load it up with Daryl and Vanessa.
We'll see what it looks like when we get there.
Yeah.
For sure.
All right.
Okay. Thanks, boys.
Yeah. We'll see you at the next race.